Today, we will distribute a total of 74.9 tons of certified seeds to 37,450 farmers, covering 7,493 acres across the county, and the expected yield is 93,862 bags of grain, which once achieved will go a long way to boosting our food security. The certified seeds we are distributing today are crucial inputs in agricultural production. They have the potential for higher yields, high quality produce, disease and pest resistance, and even some are bred for climate resilience.